Have you ever felt like you are doing so much as a stay-at-home mom, but people, more especially those close to you, they feel you are doing nothing? Recently a lady reached out to me, a mother, and she said that to me that people, feel she is not doing anything just because she's a stay-at-home mom. And I'm telling you, I understand that feeling. You want to contribute financially, but somehow you do not know where to start, you do not know how to start. Hello, you're welcome to Savvy Mom's Finance. This is the channel that helps you grow in and thrive financially, especially as a woman or a stay-at-home mom. And my name is Peace. I call myself your financial advocate. And I'm here to guide you towards practical ways to make money, manage it wisely, and build financial confidence right from your home. So, if that is something you are passionate about, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because we are building something huge here. So back to what I was saying earlier, a mom reached out to me recently. She told me that people often make her feel like she has nothing to offer just because she's at home with her kids. And what I told her that day is exactly what I want to share with you today. Sincerely, if you ask me, there are so many ways to make money online using AI tools and simple platforms, even if you have zero tech skills or business experience. So let's start with my favorite, and that is creating digital products. With tools like Canva and ChatGPT, you can create printable planners, budget templates, affirmation cards, or even ebooks. Canva helps you with the designs, okay? While AI helps you to brainstorm as well writing. And if you're not sure of how to use Canva yet, I can help you. All you need to do is to let me know in the comments. Just drop "Teach me Canva" and I will make a simple tutorial you can follow from your phone. See, you can sell these designs on Etsy or even from your social media handles. It's flexible, it's creative, it's something you can do at your own pace. Okay, that is for digital products. Let's talk about the second one, freelancing. That is offering online services. You can actually start as a virtual assistant, a content writer, or even help small businesses with social media management. Do you know the best part? AI can help you work faster and better. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to draft clients' emails or social media posts. And also, you can use Grammarly to polish your writing. If you're in Nigeria, check out platforms like Upwork and Worker. If you're in Qatar or any country where they have AI restrictions, try LinkedIn. LinkedIn is accessible globally. See, the goal is not for you to be perfect, okay? It's just for you to start. You have to start somewhere. Let's talk about the third one. Content creation. Sis, AI can help you write your video scripts and captions. All you need to do is for you to add your story and your voice. Whether it is financial education, motivation, or even tutorials, AI can make your ideas come alive faster. You can start on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever platform you are most comfortable with. Sis, I know sometimes it feels you are doing everything, but it's not enough. People around you think you are doing nothing. But let me tell you something, sis. You don't have to underestimate what you can do with the tools in your hand and the time you have right now. You can start small, one design, one gig, one video, and let it grow. Remember, I'm your financial advocate, right? And I am here to help you see possibilities where others are seeing limits. So if this video inspired you, subscribe, like, and share it with another mom that needs to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Catch ya!